हो गया तेरा? स्टार्ट करें अब?
Hi guys, I'm Mahima.
एंड आई एम सूरज। बेटा आ गए आज भी मुंह उठा के। थर्सडे को एग्जाम है, एग्जाम। पढ़ लो यार, कुछ तो पढ़ लो।
अरे पागल यार, टीचर्स डे आज। टीचर्स के लिए कुछ भी है। फिर सूरज तेरे को याद है जब हम छोटे थे स्कूल में, तो हम टीचर्स डे पे टीचर्स के लिए कितना कुछ किया करते थे। उनके लिए गिफ्ट्स लाया करते थे, कार्ड्स बनाया करते थे। और मैं तो अपने फेवरेट टीचर को ना पार्कर का पेन भी गिफ्ट किया करती थी।
लेकिन मैं तो हमेशा सस्ता वाला रेनॉल्ड्स देता था यार।
खैर ये सब छोड़ो यार, जस्ट सोच कि हमारे टीचर्स की पर्सनालिटी कैसी है। क्यों ना हम उसे जाने, कितना मजा आएगा।
हाँ, देखते हैं अपने प्रोफेसर अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं और हम अपने प्रोफेसर्स के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं।
So guys, I'm sure you are also one of the types of people we have shown to you. But aren't you excited about how our professors were when they were young? So, to have a look, let's see.
During my college and school days, I used to be a mischievous but studious student. So I was very popular among my teachers and also with the student community.
Obedient, no. Sincere, yes. I was very bubbly.
For these things, I was bookworm actually. I was always very serious about my studies.
It was only about either studying or playing cricket or so on.
I was introverted, but then as I got into the second year, third year, I started participating in many cultural activities.
I was a bright student, but very far from the top ranking. So.
College days, I was not a studious person. I was a six-pointer. I also flunked in 3 courses. That's one thing I regret about my college life. I did not take part in sports activities or in theatre or in dance. But I just wasted the time. That's what I feel now.
Yes, I was very active. I used to study a lot. I used to play a lot, and I was busy at least 12 hours every day.
बेटा बेटा बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो?
हाँ अंकल, मैं बड़ी होके टीचर बनना चाहती हूँ।
बेटा लाइफ में बनना क्या चाहते हो?
Uncle, I want to become an actor.
बेटा बेटा लाइफ में बनना क्या चाहते हो?
Uncle, मैं IITian बनना चाहती हूँ।
बेटा एडमिशन कहाँ लिया?
अंकल, लवली प्रोफेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडवर्टाइजमेंट तो देखा होगा आपने टीवी पे।
Lovely Professional University.
इसका तो आईआईटी से एलपीयू हो गया, लेकिन अब देखते हैं अपने प्रोफेसर्स के ख्वाब क्या थे।
I think now looking back, I think I wanted to be good in whatever I did. I think bottom line was be successful, be happy.
I wanted to work for human development.
I wanted to become actually engineer in some good research organization.
Cricketer.
Maybe a sports person, that would be. Probably a cricketer.
Chess player, professional chess player.
When I was small, very small, I wanted to become a doctor.
And definitely research is one of the major focus of my career.
I didn't have any specific goals.
Guys, I'm sure अपने फ्री टाइम में इससे काफी अच्छे काम करते हो। अपने फ्री टाइम में हमारे प्रोफेसर्स क्या करते हैं जानने के लिए देखते हैं।
at the moment, to spend time with my family, my daughter.
I am very much interested in all kinds of Gujarati songs and Gujarati poems and Gujarati literature and Gujarati drama. So I keep seeing all that and keep attending all those programs very, very regularly. I travel a lot. A lot means a lot. At least once in a month I have to go out somewhere.
Nowadays I play with my son.
Nowadays I am into mostly I am trying to do swimming. That is one of my interests.
I play a lot of chess. This is one of the main activities. Apart from that, I occasionally read some books, listen to music, watching movies, reading, and playing with my son.
I love to just laze around doing nothing.
यार सूरज, तुझे DICT के बारे में क्या पसंद है?
गर्ल्स
और कुछ?
गर्ल्स इन शॉर्ट्स।
Such a creep. और कुछ पसंद है तुझे?
सीनियर गर्ल्स।
Oh my God, guys, ये पागल है. Don't listen to him. I know आपको DICT के बारे में और भी बहुत कुछ पसंद है. Let's see हमारे प्रोफेसर्स को DICT के बारे में क्या पसंद है.
What I like about DICT, I think the best thing that I like about DICT is this uniqueness, ability to do things which are on uncharted territories. That's the good thing. The second good thing about DICT, I mean, it's student community. I mean, they may be surprised hearing this from me, but I've looked at a lot of academic institutions in and around Gujarat and neighboring places. I can safely say that the student quality, students over here rock. They are really very, very good.
What I like about DICT is the general atmosphere because I enjoy teaching over here because the students are very good and fortunately for me they have been always very cooperative as far as doing the work in the class and all is concerned.
DICT, I like it that environment is very good, green and like that, and it's very easy to go to different buildings, lab and classrooms and like that. Accessibility is very good and people are very friendly here.
I love the exams at this institute. Love the playground, and I also enjoyed a lot with the faculty members. There is not a lot of distance between at least PG students and the faculty.
बात बताओ तेरे को, प्रोफेसर हो ना तो अपने शेट्टी सर जैसा। 4 नंबर थे मेरे, कितने? 4। और कुछ पॉइंटर कितने होंगे? 8 पॉइंटर थे मेरे, 8।
यार यही बात है ना यार, तुम लोग सब हमेशा पॉइंटर पॉइंटर पॉइंटर। मेरा पॉइंटर मैटर नहीं करता लाइफ, मैटर करता है अपन क्या समझ रहे हैं। शिट्टी सर को देखा है, कुछ समझाते तो है नहीं क्लास में, कुछ समझ नहीं आता और बस पॉइंटर देते हैं। अब पॉइंटर से क्या फर्क पड़ता है? चतुर्वेदी सर को देखो यार, वो पढ़ाते हैं बेटा, वो पढ़ाते हैं।
प्रोफेसर चतुर्वेदी की तो बात ही ना करो, ठीक है? उनके नाम में ही चतुर है यार। 20-30 लोग होते हैं तब तो उनको अटेंडेंस लेनी होती है।
अबे अटेंडेंस से क्या होता है यार? अटेंडेंस लेते हैं यार,
अटेंडेंस का तो वेटेज होता है यार।
भाई पढ़ाते हैं वो, वेटेज क्या?
सर हैं भाई अच्छे,
छोड़ तू,
ठीक है? शेट्टी सर जैसा कोई नहीं है। शेट्टी सर,
चतुर्वेदी सर,
शेट्टी सर,
चतुर्वेदी सर,
शेट्टी सर,
चतुर्वेदी सर। लिया ना, मेरे फेवरेट प्रोफेसर को गलत बोलने का नतीजा। चलो देखते हैं आपके फेवरेट प्रोफेसर कौन है।
Professor Rahul Muthu, because he is the most cheerful professor I have ever met, and in his class it feels more of like some senior explaining rather than a professor, and learning under him makes fun.
Professor Shweta Gagman, she's very lively.
Professor Ritu Parikh ma'am.
Professor Amisha Modi, I look forward to her class whenever there is a class and it's very interesting.
Professor Pandya, Professor Madhumita and Professor Alka Parikh.
You have to speak one favorite professor, oh my god.
PM Jat sir.
PM
Jat
sir.
Professor Maniklal Das.
Professor Vishwajit Pandya.
Professor Alka Parikh.
Professor Alka Parikh.
Professor Banerjee.
Mine is also Professor Banerjee.
Professor PM Jat. One is enough for me.
Good morning.
students. Let's see who is our skydiving professor.
I think Rahul Muthu sir.
Professor Jaydeep Mulay sir.
Professor Amit Bhatt.
Professor Anjali Kulshrestha, she was our previous placement officer.
Professor Amit Bhatt.
Professor Amit Modi.
Professor Amit Bhatt.
Professor Sauris Das Gupta.
Life is Shweta ma'am.
Professor Jaydeep Mulay.
Professor Amit Bhatt also. Was known as
A decisive moment in the development of science, technology, and society was the mid-1980s addition of technology studies to the range of interests reflected in science. Suraj? Suraj! Suraj!
Yes, ma'am.
Are you feeling sick?
No, ma'am.
You're not well?
No, ma'am. I'm all okay, ma'am.
Is everything okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect?
Yes, ma'am.
Get out of my class! Get out quick!
और किस क्लास में नहीं सो सकते यार.
Professor Anish Mathuria.
Anish Mathura sir.
Professor Anish Mathuria.
Professor Anish Mathuria as well as Professor Amit Bhatt.
Professor Mandya. Professor Neil Diesel.
Professor Anish Mathuria. Professor Anish Mathuria.
Rutu ma'am.
PM Jadhav.
वो पनिशमेंट में वो करवा दिए खड़ा हो बैठो उसमें ही नींद चली जाती है. Wow.
Professor Anish Mathuria. Professor Banerjee.
He rocks.
Oh, I wouldn't dare sleep in MLD sir's class. Maniklas Das's class. I have slept in once and he was one to catch me and then he asked me a question about dynamic programming and I did not know.
कहाँ तक पढ़े हैं आप?
दोपहर तक.
What?
Remember, life is a race. अगर तेज नहीं भागोगे तो कोई तुम्हें कुचल के आगे निकल जाएगा.
बहुत हो गई ड्रामेबाजी.
अब देखते हैं अपने प्रोफेसर्स के फेमस डायलॉग्स क्या हैं.
You go through the slides. You read the slides. Professor Bhateja. Oh, M.B. Joshi sir. He says "Arey yaar" a lot of times, and that is so nice to read.
The devil lies in the details, Professor Anish Mathuria.
If you have any doubts, then come to my office. Rutu ma'am.
Rutu ma'am.
Professor, there are still empty seats in the front.
Professor Manish Gupta, who keeps on saying beautiful for everything, beautiful theorem, beautiful answer, beautiful.
Always ask the purpose. Banerjee sir.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
यार कल रात को इतना खा लिया ना यार. बहुत दर्द कर रहा है यार. बहुत दर्द कर रहा है. पूरी रात गुड़गुड़ हो रहा है अंदर मुझे.
में 4 वाले और क्या होगा?
लेकिन भूख लग रही थी ना यार. और तो क्या है?
1 मिनट ये क्या तेरे बैग में?
यार बोला ना गड़बड़ चल रही है यार पेट में. 1 सेकंड. बदबू आ रही है. मार ले यार मार ले. कभी नहाना तो होता नहीं है तेरे को. 3 दिन से नहा नहीं रही यार तू.
यार एग्जाम है यार.
ये सब छोड़. ये बता लेक्चर किसका है?
पता नहीं है. अबे किसका है?
बे 9-10 हो रहे हैं यार. मेरा हो गया.
1 मिनट.
ये बंद हो गया कि
Quantum computation. Quantum पहला है.
I have only one lecture on Monday, that is dynamics of animation.
I also have only one lecture on Monday.
Optimization.
ITIL.
यार तुझे अपने प्रोफेसर से कुछ पूछना है?
यार लेक्चर तुझे लगता है मैं एक भी अटेंड करता हूँ जो मैं उनसे कुछ पूछूंगा?
तो गाइस आप ही पूछ लीजिए अपने प्रोफेसर से कुछ.
देखो यार लेक्चर में तो तुम कुछ पूछते नहीं हो. पूछ लो यार जो पूछना है. बोलना है जो बोलना है बोल लो.
For Professor Philipla, why is your phone blue in color? Like totally blue.
Pass.
Do professors in DA play around teachers. I have a banner here, sir. The question is, sir, how do you get into nerves of the students? Is it something which you learned from your childhood, or is it something you always want to do to get onto someone's nerves so that someone comes up with something? Please answer this question. I want to listen to the answer.
So, what do you think of the students at DICD? You've seen generations and generations of students. Do you think the current generation is any different from the previous one?
My question is to Alka Parikh ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask student why you take attendance when the students willingly attend your class, and we are very happy to attend your class. So there is no need to take attendance.
And also, what drives Professor Rahul Muthu? He's always so enthusiastic about everything, like what is the source of his energy? For Shweta ma'am, what is the reason for her good looking, strong hair? So I don't think our college says this enough, but we really are thankful for whatever you guys do for us. It's been a privilege to be taught by you.
Thank you, professors. We love you. You rock.
Yeah, we got a chance to learn under some of the best professors, and thanks a lot for all that we have learned from you.
Thank you so much. We have learned a lot from all of you, and you all have always been supported us whenever there is any query or something.
Guys, it's jam time now.
One simple message: make the most of the opportunities that you have, whether it is within the classroom, outside the classroom, in the lab, on the campus, outside the campus. Extract as much as you can in these 4 years.
For students, I want them to be always very happy and vibrant, because that's what defines this place. And without that, it will be useless.
Student is that they should attend classes. Okay.
Thank you for being my students. It's a privilege to teach all of you. Have the energy to keep us going.
Enjoy yourself on Teachers' Day.
Do something what you really like, what you really want to do, and give yourself a chance to evolve rather than following a given direction. Because
All I would say is that these 4 years, 5 years of your life are really precious, and really utilize them to develop yourself as a person. Take part in sports, take part in theatre, dance, take part in extracurricular activities, because that really builds you up as a person. That really makes a huge difference to your personality.
At the end of the day, teachers, you make us shine bright against all the odds of the world.
We are grateful to you, again, and will always be.
We love you, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. पहले वाला बेटा था, मैं कह रही हूँ आपको.